We've got not one, but two of our TMG Volunteer traditional flow offsets rolling out shop today, guys. These ones going up north. Hey, we love everywhere in the U.S., all right? Not just down south. We'll send them anywhere. Both these going up north. We got pretty similar setups here, but a little different, so let's check them out. First off, this one going on man Chris. So we've got the standard Volunteer here with the off-road package. Of course, he's got the upgraded wheels and tires there. New bronze matrix from Mods. Pretty slick setup there. I think that's the first one that's got them. Fold down, stack that standard. Inside, guys, we got 128-gallon smoke chamber. Bottom and top sliding racks here. We do have a water pan shelf off to the side here. 3/8 thick steel firebox here. 26 inches long, plenty of room to build your fire in there, not gonna rust up, burn out on you. D-ring tie downs on all four corners. I walk over to this Volunteer. She's got a couple more upgrades on her. We've got the stainless steel shelf, all right. Still the same setup inside here. Got the black Mods wheels on this one. He has also added the, going on man Terry, by the way, also added the griddle top option. Great little option I had there, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, he got a little goodie bag in there, got a TMG torch, some more TMG accessories in there. Great stuff to add on your order here at TMG, guys. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit belt, you know to call TMG Fits, Knoxville, Tennessee.